If you have not eaten this sauce before, you are missing on this enjoyment. Today, guys, I'll share with you on how to make this very delicious garden egg stew. This is so good. If you are coming across this page for the first time, just do well to click on the subscribe button because I share recipes you will like. This one in particular is that recipe you make when you want Ojen 2K from Modogo. You know what I mean, guys. All right, let's get right into the recipe. And we'll be needing garden eggs. So I'm using this green type of garden egg for this. You can use the white one. You can even use eggplant. Any one you want, you can use. So all you have to do is to remove the stem from the garden eggs as I am doing now. So proceed to pour this into your pot. So I have these very ripe ones. So I'm also using it. So just pour everything into the pot and add water that will cover up these garden eggs. Yes, just water. Don't add salt, just water. Cover it and allow this to boil. See, the garden eggs is already soft. We can just put our fork and you can see how easily it's coming out. So now we are going to transfer this to our mortar and pound this roughly. You can as well use your food processor to do this, but we are going the local way. We are pounding with our mortar and pestle. You all know that garden eggs are not only healthy and nutritious, they are also very delicious and you can make variety of dishes with garden eggs. So I'll be sharing more on this page. So make sure you click the subscribe button. Make sure you are subscribed. Yes, you can see I've already pounded this so roughly, not too smooth because you want to be seeing some parts of the garden eggs in the sauce, and that is how it should be. We will set this aside. So in a different pan now, we are going to be heating up our palm oil. So remember, this is a native sauce, so we are using palm oil for this. So add in your red onions, allow this to fry for a while. Let it release all its flavor before you go in with your deboned mackerel fish. So I'm going to stir all this all together and allow the mackerel fish to give us its flavor too. See guys, I know I have been called queen of flavors, so just enjoy the ride. The aroma should be out by now. So I'll be going in with my fresh tomatoes and pepper mix. See guys, as you can see, there is no liquid in my fresh tomatoes. So make sure you dry it out when you blend it. It is very necessary. You won't want to have extra liquid in this sauce. I have a recipe on how I prepare my tomato paste on this channel, so do well to check it out. So I've already added in salt and seasoning powder. Allow this for a while. You can see the oil came to the top before we added in our roughly blended, sorry, roughly pounded garden eggs. It was pounded, not blended. Roughly pounded garden eggs. Mix everything all together. See, it is quite thick. So I'll be adding in a little bit of my meat stock to this. If you don't have meat stock, just use water to loosen it up. So stir this all together. And guys, that is not all. So after mixing everything all together, I'll proceed now to add in some crayfish to this. And now to the oga pata of this recipe is our opaka or Ugba, whatever name you call it in your place. This is just going to highlight the taste of this garden egg stew the more. So just be generous and add as you like. So I will stir this all together. I'm going to cover up the pot and allow this to come together. You need to get all these flavors come together. Take a look at this, guys. The sauce is almost ready, and this is what I always do at the end. Add in some red onions and turn off the heat. See, if you don't like onions, you can skip it out, but why not you just try it out? Try it out. This crunch that the onions gives is a must try. So I'm just going to stir everything together, make sure I have mixed everything thoroughly like this. imagine serving Odogwu this thing. Let me know why he will say no to any of your requests. See, guys, you can pair this with roasted yam, plantains, boiled yam, anything you just want to pair it with. Just go ahead. Make sure to leave me a comment below if you have enjoyed this recipe, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this and pair mine with boiled yam. Do enjoy and have a lovely day. Bye.